YouTube. From time I say I will start vlogging, I want to start vlogging, especially on my fitness channel. I want to start and documenting me waking up at 5 and going to the gym. I don't know what the resistance is, but we'll see. Anyways, today is Thursday and it is 30 degrees today in Dallas. And so as I was saying, it is 30 degrees here in Dallas today. It's supposed to be snowing. It's supposed to start snowing around 9 o'clock. It don't usually snow in Dallas. Well, since I moved here in 2020, it's been snowing. Before I moved, I did my research and people were like, oh, it don't snow in Dallas, it don't snow. Every year since my move here, it's snow. Yeah. Anyways, it's supposed to start snowing today at 9. So my office closed. I said we can work from home and them something there. So I'm using that opportunity to not have to go to the gym at 5 o'clock. So that's why I wake up and go immediately to the gym. I still wake up at 5 o'clock and I still drink, I still drink my Celsius. If you guys know Celsius, eventually I can grow my channel to the point where Celsius can sponsor me. Listen, funny story, I've been drinking Celsius since about 2018, right? So do the math span amount of years that is. I have only drank the grape flavor. In my mind, the grape flavor is the only one that give me energy. I don't understand why my mind works like that, because all of them have 200 mg caffeine. So all of them obviously give you energy, but in my mind the grape flavor is the only one that works. I don't know. So anyways, I must still wake up, I must still drink my Celsius. I usually drink half a can because, as I just said, I have 200 mg caffeine. That will start making hair in colors, at least me personally. I don't really want to get too, at this point I've been drinking it since 2018, so I am attached. I kind of addicted, but I don't want the too much of caffeine, so I try to just keep it at the same. As much as I feel like at this point it's like a mental thing. It's a mental thing right now, because I drink half a can, and half a can usually stop right here in my glass. I usually just drink it with my straw because it's carbonated. I'm gonna want my teeth mess up on them something there. Today's Thursday, so today's cardio day. I will try to see if I can remember to post my weekly workout routine right here. It go up and down. Like on Tuesday it's supposed to be back day, but Tuesday I took it as a rest day because I didn't work out back to back. So I go based off my feeling. One thing that stood out to me, I thought that came to me this week, I was telling my cousin, is like, when your body feel like it needs to take a break, take a break. You know when you're being lazy and when you need a break. I feel like a lot of times personal trainer or fitness people will tell you that go, don't take a break. That is how you get burnt out, and that is how you get to dislike working out real fast. Listen to your body, listen to your soul, listen to your mind. If you need to take a break, take a break. You know when you're being lazy and you know when you need a break. Life not make for live so seriously. Think about it. You're not a fitness competitor. You're not a bodybuilder. You're not people that were in the gym will make the loud noise. Why you have to push yourself so hard every single day? That is how you're going to burn out. Take your time. Take your break. If you need your break, take your break. So Tuesday, when it was supposed to be back day, I did take my break. But tomorrow, Friday, is back day again. So I won't do back. And that's why I was taking the break. That's why I took the break on Tuesday, because I know I usually do back twice a week. And, if I miss one, as I said, I'm not a bodybuilder, so I'm not necessarily look to build my body. Anyways, I think I've been talking for a good minute now on this part. This is, I guess, is the intro to the vlog. What I'm going to do, it is 6:20, about 6:15. Let me see. I said I was gonna go to the gym at 7. I'm gonna do cardio today. I'm doing like 40 minutes of cardio and a little bit of abs. I go into my apartment gym, so they're limited with the abs machine. So we're gonna see what we can see. We can see what we can do. But yeah, let's go get ready. Okay, we're wrapping up on the Stairmaster. Only did level 5. Going to 20 minutes now on the elliptical. I don't know if you can see, but doing it in reverse. Level 10 for 20 minutes. All right, so I'm just done the 20 minutes on the elliptical. I'm gonna do some abs real quick and then I'm gonna run up because I'm supposed to start work 2 minutes ago, y'all. I'm gonna do some abs. I was going to skip the abs, but because I did already tell myself I'm gonna do the abs, I'm gonna do the abs. Because a new thing when I'm starting in 2025 is to keep promises to myself. So what am I gonna do? Keep my word. Alright, so I'm gonna do some quick abs. I'm not gonna record it because it's gonna be so quick. It's probably gonna be 25, 25, 25, 25, if that much. No, it's not gonna be that much. And then stretch little and then cut. Alright y'all, so I'm back from the gym. I mean, my hair sweats out. You can't tell somebody do fasting neck cardio, right? But anyways, I wanted to show you guys what I drink after the gym. So usually what I'll do, go gym, drink my protein shake, go work. But as I said, I'm working from home today, so I did log on. And I do, okay, so let me show you. I know people gonna have them opinions, but this is on the cheaper side and this is what I can afford. When YouTube start paying me, then I can afford the $100 protein shake now. But as of now, this is what I can afford, so this is what I buy. This is the isolate protein. Funny story, I usually get the whey, which is like $25, and I did accidentally pick this one up. This is $33. Accidentally pick it up. When I go for scan it, because I go self-scan. When I go for scan it, I call the girl, I'm so wait, because this is saying it's $25. Why? Whatever. But anyways, it's not until she ended up giving me for 25, but it's not until after me I said, oh wait, I the wrong one, I'm gonna pick up. I the wrong one, I'm gonna pick up. That's why it was $33. Anyways, so we get this as a discount. And then I started doing my research on the difference between the whey concentrated and the isolate protein. The whey concentrated have a lot more calories, not a lot more. It has 60 more calories, but then it also has more like dairy and stuff, if I remember that correctly. And I want to limit my dairy. Dairy make me bloated, and dairy make my skin issues when I try resolve. Dairy make it worse, so I try to limit my dairy. So I'm gonna be drinking this one. So it's a little bit more expensive, but it's better for me. But Body Fortress, I've been using this protein since I started my fitness journey back in 2017, but not that old. Anyways, and then I don't drink regular milk, so I drink the Skill milk. Recently started drinking the Skill milk with extra protein. This have 8 grams of protein per serving, so we're getting the protein up. And then we'll sprinkle like a cinnamon in there. We'll put this in, I'm gonna shake up my cover all over that stuff. We'll shake it up, I'm gonna put like ice in my mug, and boom, bam, bam. 30 grams of protein, well, 38 grams of protein. I'll have to start drinking this. 38 grams of protein in the morning before breakfast and then something there. So we'll drink this around, I usually leave for work around 7:30, so I drink it like around 7ish, go work, and then it keep me pretty full. And then like around 9:30, 10, I will eat, I usually eat oatmeal for breakfast, and then them have enough snacks. I'm a job. I usually just snack down the place. But again, in 2025, I'm starting this new thing where I don't do what I'm not supposed to do. So I'm limiting my snacking now. So we'll see. We'll definitely do it. All right, but I wanted to show you guys my post-workout shake. Real simple, real easy. As I'm on that channel here, we're not gonna complicate nothing. Okay, on this channel, we're not gonna be like, oh yeah, you need to make sure you get your milk from the best plant. No. You get the milk you can afford, you get the silk milk. I don't remember how much this was. I think it was like $3 something, if that much. You get the one you can afford, you get the protein you can afford, you do what you can do, you do what you can do. You're not trying to fit in on the what social media and what YouTube I try to tell you to do. Because morning, today is Saturday, y'all. I did not vlog yesterday, Friday. I started the vlog on Thursday. I did though do a review video of the legendary protein pastry. It's like Pop-Tartsy. I like it. Go check out the video. Protein feedback. You know, I'm looking to up my protein, so I figure if you're into fitness and you're trying to, you know, either build muscle, lose fat, or whatever you're trying to do, protein is important. So I figured that you two would probably want some protein suggestions, so that's what we're gonna do. It is 8:23, so around 8:50 my time fast, so that's why I'm gonna go grab my stuff to get my Celsius, and then we're gonna go do leg day. Yeah, but I started doing 5 exercises for the next 4 to 6 weeks. We'll see how long that goes. At least 4 weeks, just these 5 exercises on leg day, and we're gonna see how our results go. I'll share them with you, and I will try to record myself when I'm in the gym. I'm going to my apartment gym today, so I don't mind recording in there because it's not as packed. But it snowed Friday, it snowed Thursday, but some never did not go outside, so I did not go to the gym. I did not go to the gym yesterday, which I missed back day again, so I missed both back day for the week. But I mean, I can always do it next week. You know, it's not going to be the end of the world. But let me go get my stuff. Oh, my cup. My go-to cup. So my go-to cup for my Celsius is this, because I always pour my Celsius up to this line, so I don't have to always be measuring it. And if that is one thing I need to mention to you guys. If you don't have a food scale, this one right here, a food scale, or like some kind of measuring cup or something, are you even serious about your fitness goal? Think about it. Because measuring your food, overestimating food and stuff is one of the reasons why a lot of y'all cannot lose weight. Okay? Thinking that, oh yeah, this is half a cup. You will be surprised what half a cup of rice is. You will be surprised what half a cup of rice is. You think it's half a cup of rice and it's about 3 cups. Okay? So that's why a food scale or a measuring thing is very important. I personally prefer a food scale because, you know, you can just weigh the stuff. You can just say, oh, half a cup of rice is how many ounces, it will be on the pack. How many ounces, you put sense in your weight, and boom bam bam. All right, so let me finish my my Celsius. All right, so I honestly feel like my biggest struggle with this whole vlogging thing is going to be remembering vlog. Like, goody, take out the camera and record. So it's almost 11 o'clock now, about 10 minutes to 11. Just come back from leg day. It was a good leg day. Now I'm drinking my protein shake, the same thing I showed you guys yesterday or Thursday. The skilled milk, which is 8 grams of protein, the protein powder, which is 30 grams of protein. I add cinnamon, but then this time I added the ratio protein yogurt. This is 25 grams of protein, 170 calories. You can't beat that. Let me show you. You see? Wait, which one? God of His mercy. Oh, this gonna for sure this way. I went to school, I promise. So you see, 70 grams of protein, 170 calories, 70. What may I say? 170 calories, 25 grams of protein. I wish it was 70 grams of protein. So you can't beat that, and it's actually good. Like what I always look for ingredients, not too long, but not too long. Sugar is 3 grams of sugar, which is good. A tip I always say is make sure your sugar content is less than your protein. A lot of those protein bars, they will have like 10 grams of protein, but when you look on the sugar, 20 grams of sugar. That's a sugar bar, not a protein bar. So a tip I always use is make sure the sugar is less than the protein. But yeah, I've been putting this in my smoothies on days when I do like leg days, or on days when I just want extra protein. I don't eat them all the time. And I also use I don't remember what name, Fit and Simple, but that one have 12 grams of protein, 80 calories. So I'll try to post it right here. So real quick, let's talk about leg day. And pardon my hair, guys. Oh gosh, I mean, it's leg day. It shows that them say if you look cute after your workout, you never work hard enough. I did work hard because that hair, yeah. So I started with hip thrust. I am going heavy. I think I did 155. And then did Romanian deadlift. This is my favorite. I've been doing this forever. Went up to, I want to say 115, 8. So of course I didn't start to warm up my body, but I try to focus. Like I do the last 2 to 3 sets as heavy as I can. Then I did some Bulgarian split squats. I'm just now adding this to my routine. This and hip thrust I'm adding to my routine. I'm telling you, my body better fat by time with me done this program, because them Bulgarian split squats here, well, I'm a balling for every single god what they unknown in planet. Right? I beg for mercy from all of them. And then I did some reverse lunges on the at like a incline, I forget what it named, deficit, I think, I don't know, but I did 3 sets of 6 with that, and I did go up in the weight. I went up to 30 pounds on each side, so 60 total on the Smith machine. But I realized that when I was at 60 on each side, I was my form, I compromised on form, so I lowered it. I'm just gonna stay at 25 on each side until, cause form over weight, all right? And don't ego lift, form over weight. And then I did finish off with those banded abductors, those authentic band, good quality band, all right? I haven't started selling them again yet, but when I do, of course, I'll let you guys know. But those are good quality bands. They don't roll, they don't fall. You don't have to adjust them all the time. When you put them right where you put them stay, and them thick. And my gosh, I did 4 sets of 25 on those lane hip abductors thing, and my god, how much somebody that burned me. And then I did 20 minutes on the elliptical, doing it in reverse to target my glutes. I forgot to record that, so you know, I see that right here. But I tried to finish off my workout with 20 minutes of cardio. But that is that for leg day. I feel good. I have been craving curry goat since I think Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving I went to my people, somebody Thanksgiving dinner, and them they met the curry goats. They taste good. Them curry goat, they taste good from Thanksgiving. I crave the curry goat, But no, say it's not gonna be good quality like theme on, but I'm gonna try my best. I did and this is my first time making curry goat. Yeah, I'm never raised in the kitchen. I was raised in the books. Focus on your education, books. And now come my turn big man and can't cook after I teach myself how to cook. Can you imagine the shame? But I don't know, thank God for YouTube, thank God for this channel, Dennis channel. This man can cook. At least it seemed like it can cook. Obviously never tried food yet. It seemed like it can cook. So I'm going to use this recipe and make curry goat for the first time. So I'm going to head to the Jamaican grocery store, which all the way for where we live in Dallas, and not a lot of Jamaicans in Dallas. Can't wait for move back to Florida. So I'm going to drive all the way about 25 minutes for to get little curry goat and seasoning. So we're gonna do that, but first I want to clean my apartment. I want to vacuum up and dust up and them little things there real quick. So I want to clean and then head to the Jamaican store to go make some curry goat. So I will see you guys, hopefully remember for record when I'm in the Jamaican grocery store. Hopefully I remember, but if I don't remember, the next clip I'm gonna be like, Lord of His mercy, when I remember. There's snow up on the road, don't you? This cannot be Texas. I did not know it was snowing this bad. Damn, what you over there, so no sir, this will come down New York. So I just leave the grocery store. I bought 3 pounds of goat. The girl was like, you want eating 3 pounds of goat? I say yes ma'am, yes. And then I stopped at Kroger to get the seasoning. So I'm gonna go home right now, season it, and then put it down, make it marinate, because tomorrow we're gonna cook it. So all right y'all, so I am back home and we're gonna make some curry goat. This is my first time making curry goat. When I did little, nobody never teach me how to cook them big meals here, so I have to teach myself. Nothing wrong. I can't control what my childhood was like. I can control my adulthood. Okay, that is a word right there. So I went to the grocery store. I got all the things. I got 3 pounds
a curry goat. Yeah, I'm so excited. Hopefully it's come out good because you know I'm gonna vex if my waist 3 pounds of curry goat. But I trust and believe it's gonna come out good. Now I'm going to make a video, like a separate video from the vlog, showing you guys how I'm making the curry goat. Don't come at me too hard in the comments, y'all. It is the first time I'm making it. And instead of sitting in my, oh, well, nobody never teach me, I'm going to teach myself, and there's nothing you can learn on YouTube. I'm telling you, YouTube can teach you everything. YouTube can teach you how to do heart surgery, okay? So there's no excuses. Hopefully you don't ever have to do heart surgery. But, yes, I'm going to make a standalone video. So if you don't want to watch the full way of me making curry goat, go watch, go click, it's in the description. But for the vlog, I'm going to just keep it, just keep it in general. So let's get into it. I'm excited. All right, see what was season goat look like. I call my cousin a big chef. My cousin a big chef, okay? I call her and I ask her if I saw it for look. She say yes, I saw it for look. So what we're gonna do is wrap up it up in some paper, some plastic paper wrap, cover it up, and then we're gonna put this in the fridge for marinate, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna cook it. I'm so excited, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself, and it's not even done yet. I'm proud of myself for even actually trying for my curry goat.
Good morning. It is Sunday morning and we're heading to the gym. We're gonna do some cardio. On Sundays I do an hour-long cardio, light pace, not hectic. Either walking on the treadmill, doing some elliptical, or on the stairmaster. And you guys know the elliptical, my favorite cardio machine. So we're gonna do the elliptical today for 1 hour, and then we're gonna do some abs, some weighted abs, and then we are gonna go finish the goat. Today's the day we eat curry goat, y'all. So yeah, we're heading to LA Fitness right now. We're gonna do some cardio. Yeah, so there is no friggin' parking at LA Fitness. I had to park all the way at Woya, and it's things like this. Let me just say, you know what, I'm gonna go my yard. But what I'm going to do is see if I'm gonna check if it's too packed in there. If me have to stand up and wait for my favorite elliptical machine, I can just go to my apartment gym. You see, little things like this, I cannot. So, like, I don't have nothing else to do on a Sunday morning. All right, let's go. All right, so I just left gym, got a good, nice 1 hour cardio session in 30 minutes on the Stairmaster, 30 minutes on the elliptical. Stopped, do my Sunday grocery shopping. Always like to get this. 30 grams of protein is called Rockin' Protein Shake Builder. 30 grams of protein, only 190 calories. Love to do this on Sundays with my fruit bowl. So that's what I usually do. That's my Sunday routine: gym, grocery shopping, then edit videos and stuff, I guess. So yeah, we're gonna go home now, go finish up the goat. I'm ready for the goat. Hey. All right, just come back in from gym. Look mad. Gym and grocery shopping. As I said, in the car, still drinking my protein shake and my fruits. Love with that pen Sundays. I also got, y'all, the Kroger's in my area. I try to make some. Them I try. So I pick up tropical rhythms, pineapple and ginger. Since I have curry goat today, I was like, why not? Right? Why not? Of course, one of these days I'll do a grocery haul for y'all. When I come back from Florida, I'll do it because so you guys can see what I eat in a week. Granted, I go grocery shopping for myself, so it's not a lot. And not a lot of food. I did run out of protein powder, so I got some protein powder. Oh my gosh, $33.99, y'all. It's add up, not gonna lie. It's add up because everything comes to like $88. Granted, if it wasn't for the protein powder, it would have been like $50 something, $55. So, which $55 is the budget that I try to stay at weekly. Grocery budget that I try to stay at. So anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the curry goat, and then while it's a cook, I'm going to wash my hair. I wash my hair on Sundays. Oh, you see? But I forgot for telling us that I did 30 minutes on the Stairmaster, 30 minutes on the elliptical, and then I sit in the sauna for about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. And then, so when sweat, when I can't see sweat, when sweat ready for reach me. But I'm gonna start the curry goat, and then I'm gonna go wash my hair, and then, yeah. So we'll do it. I decided that my vlogs are gonna go Monday to Sunday. It just makes sense, especially since it's like a fitness vlogging, and you know, start the week on Monday. I start my week on Mondays. So obviously I started this vlog on Thursday though, so a lot of days are missing, but I'm gonna end this vlog today and then start recording again tomorrow for a new week. So today gonna be the last day. I'm gonna show the clips of the curry goat, and then we're gonna wrap up. Thank you if y'all still watching. Big up on yourself. I'm gonna start the giveaway, and like I don't remember whose channel I was watching. It was a Jamaican channel though, and they were like, congratulations to the first 5 people who made it this far in the video, and they gave away like a gift card. And I was like, oh, that's pretty cool, especially since the vlog them go long. I want to do stuff like that. I'll probably give away some products, some fitness products, or like, you know, a gift card to somewhere or something. Hey, let me tell them, let's speak it into existence, y'all. When them start sponsor me, okay? When them start sponsor me, a peer giveaway that I have. Listen, I'm gonna hold on to it. Alright, let me go start the curry goat.
Guys, look. The curry come out so good, y'all. It's so tender. It tastes so good.
Okay guys, so this is where this vlog is going to end. Shout out to you guys if you make it this far in the vlog. Big up yourself. I am so excited to do this and to stay consistent with it. If you guys have any ideas or questions specifically about your fitness journey, definitely feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I am going to do my vlogs, as I said, Monday to Sunday. So we're ending it today. I'm going to post it tomorrow on Monday and then start recording. So next week, Monday, you have a full vlog from Monday to Sunday. So big up on yourself. Shout out to Uno. Don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.
Look on the body, yeah, look, yeah. Look on the body, yeah, look, yeah. Mueve la colita, look, yeah. Look at this body that I got.